Well, it's March 22nd. God, don't those trees look beautiful. And this is what I got to deal with. If I get down there. Had a few inches of snow. About probably close to somewhere between 4 and 6 inches. I don't even know. Enough to make my life miserable. I gotta say the trees are pretty, but God forbid they come through and shovel. It's after 9 o'clock in the morning. The apartment complex has not came to shovel or plow. Oh, fuck my knee. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is what we got. Snow. See, my brother could have came out and cleared off my van. Let's see what it looks like when I get over there. It's a sloppy mess. I think the boys can make some snowman today. Oh, shoot. Man, I gotta get the snow brush out. Alright, well, let me get this happy mess cleaned off. This is what I'm cleaning off the roof of my van. I hate not cleaning it off because at some point it's going to flip down onto the front windshield. So, yeah, a little bit of snow. Still snowing lightly. And again, beautiful trees. So now we're going to see what the heck the roads are like. They look a little bit slicker. Oh, excuse me, slickery. March snow. It's supposedly spring, but this isn't nothing new for us. People just seem to forget how to drive when March comes. I don't know, I don't get it, but whatever. So, roads are wet. I can feel a little bit of ice underneath it, so here we are. Beautiful weather in the state of Wisconsin. Loving it. Can you see how pretty those trees are? Are they not just beautiful? I'm glad the boys have spring break. They started spring break today, so that was a plus. I didn't have to drive in it early this morning. It was way worse. I seen the traffic cameras on the TV earlier. I was like, oh Lord. And they still got some issues on the freeway system. I'm sure there's accidents and whatnot up there. But they put a ton of brine down yesterday, which is usually salt water. They say it works better. Some of it has whey. Some of the brine will be the whey they use from the cheese because it's all real salty. I guess they use, some places use beet juice too for a brine. I didn't know that. So yeah, the joys of living where it snows. You got to take the good with the bad. So, there you have it, folks. Winter snowstorm on March, I think it's the 22nd, March 22nd, yeah. Well, at least these roads are clogged, not so decent. First, my side street wasn't, but this is the main road, and this one's plowed okay. Much better than some. Yeah, have a great day. I'm going to see if we can get the boys to make a snowman or something today. It's the packy snow, so they should be able to make a snowman. Y'all enjoy your days. I'm going to enjoy mine.